Hey everybody, I'm Annabelle, and welcome to this week's Author Intelligence. Every week, we explore an AI tool for self-publishing authors. And today, we're going to look at my favorite, Claude, but we're going to look at a PR timeline. As a self-publishing author, you're doing everything. It is not a dirty word anymore. And I'm going to use AI to help me get it all done. So one of the biggest things I have to do is promote my book. And I'm using a whole range of things, but I need a master timeline to remind me so I don't forget things. So I'm going to show you today exactly how I do that with Claude. So I have over here in Claude a pretty detailed timeline already. So let's take a look here. This is my document. Quickly scroll. Hopefully you didn't see my title. But there's a lot of stuff here to do until I launch in October. And if you're like me, you print it out and then make a whole bunch of notes and scribbles and then more notes and scribbles, and then you have another book with more notes and scribbles. So in the olden days, I would have taken all my scribbled notes and then I would have gone into my Monday project or my Trello boards, but I don't need to do that anymore. And I don't need to spend all this time like sifting through and figuring out where things go. So let's do a on-the-fly example. Okay, so one of the things I want to talk about in my PR work is how a heroine's journey is different from a hero's journey. Something I love because it's about working together for the good of everyone. So I'm going to go into my timeline, and rather than going and updating it and just finding where I think it should fit in there and then slotting it in and creating a new thing, I just tell Claude to do that for me. Hey, Claude, I need to make sure I write up some pieces on the heroine's journey to share with media outlets as outreach. Please add this to my timeline. So in the past, I would have found one bullet point and gone and put that in somewhere and really hoped that I had found the best place for it. And you can see here, Claude is just doing that for me, finding all the right spots and actually updating it inside of my document. And it's done it 6 months before. Develop multiple angles, and then looking at placement. Amazing. And it gives me more detail, makes me feel more confident in that this is actually possible and that I, as a single human author / publishing house, can do this as well. So if you have any kind of timeline, stop using project management boards and start using a large language model. So ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Claude, anything you have access to, I would recommend trying this instead. And I would also recommend paying for it. So pay for a pro service because you are actually uploading your own content and ideas, and you want to make sure that you were keeping those private. Okay, so that was Claude for timelines. I hope that was helpful. If you want to get this video, and also I can give you a bit of a prompt around crafting a PR timeline, sign up for my newsletter, Author Intelligence. It's just once a month, and you'll get more tips and tricks about how to use AI ethically in your self-publishing journey. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye.